Okay, welcome to the bid opening for Terminal 5 Concourse M Extension, Core Expansion and Repurposing at O'Hare International Airport for bid package 9, Interiors, Federal Inspection Services, and the West Wing Renovation. The trade packages today that are bidding are an SBI Small Business Initiative 1 for trade package 48. I'm Kim Carpenter, Senior Project Manager and Procurement Manager for Austin Power Partners. It's now 11 a.m., the deadline for bid submittal. The bidders must complete all line items in the bid proposal pages except to the extent that the documents allow otherwise. Scope review meetings will be held to determine the completeness, accuracy, and compliance to all the terms and conditions of the specification. Bids received past the bid deadline or from non-pre-qualified bidders will be returned unopened. Bids received from Capital Industrial Coatings. Bid received from Continental Painting and Decorating. Bid received from Oosterbaan and Sons. And bid received from Paniagua Group. All bidders will be notified of the final outcome of this bid by Austin Power Partners upon the completion of the scope review meetings and determination of awards. This concludes today's bid for Terminal 5 Concourse M Extension, Core Expansion and Repurposing at O'Hare International Airport for bid package 9, Interiors, Federal Inspection Services, and West Wing Renovation. The Small Business Initiative for trade package 48 painting. Thank you for participating.